Hey everybody, Patrick Kalmerton. We are up at Dakota Sunset Resort here in Devils Lake, North Dakota, and it is the fall. We have had a fantastic week of waterfowl hunting, pheasant hunting, walleye fishing from shore, and we are going to get right into the end of the report with Johnnie Candle.
Well, here we are. It's fall finally. The weather has turned here in Devils Lake, North Dakota, and things are definitely changing, not necessarily for the better and not necessarily for the worse. They're just changing. We can't avoid fall. All the fish cleaning stations are now closed. The boat docks are still in at all the launch sites, but who knows for how long. As soon as we start getting snow and that dreaded word ice, well, not dreaded, it's kind of looked upon as positive by some, but as soon as we start seeing those types of weather changes, the docks will come out. So the boating fishing season is winding down. It's ending on a positive note. Fish catches have been really good the last couple weeks, and as the water temperatures drop, they're going to continue to get better. Shore fishing becomes a big popular alternative once again. As the boat docks come out, it makes it harder to get a boat in, and a lot of times the areas of the lake will start to freeze other than the current areas around the bridges and some of the places where incoming water enters Devil's Lake. That current attracts fish, water's still open, very accessible to shorebound anglers, and some great fishing opportunities lie ahead. So just because fall is here, leaves are falling, things are changing colors, doesn't mean that it's time to give up on open water fishing. Little quick recap on the summer. Things went pretty well for Devil's Lake. I'm not going to say that it was a home run that we're used to on Devil's Lake. Things are changing all the time here, and this year hit us with some curveballs. Things changed a lot. Water levels dropped most of the summer, which we're not really used to. We did not have a big inflow of water last spring. It put fish in different areas. It took everyone a while to find them. Once we got on them, second half of the season went just about like normal. Fish catches were really good. Size was up this year. I had a lot more fish over 27 inches in my boat than I'm used to. And the same old techniques pumped them out, right? Bobbers, leeches, jigs and crawlers, casting crankbaits, trolling spinners, all the stuff you're used to. Devil's Lake is still alive and well. Fishing was strong, and I look for it to be strong again next year. So if you're thinking about that last-minute trip, don't count us out. Again, boat docks are still in. They're going to be for a couple weeks, and the fish are biting. So get here and have a great time. Always thinking ahead to 2026. Holy cow, that's a big number. Not so sure I want to think of 2026. But anyways, thinking ahead to 2026, the forecast looks great. Hoping for some snow this winter. I know that makes ice fishing travel a little difficult, but sure would be nice to see a little bit of water incoming into Devil's Lake. Fishing's going to be strong again, and the calendars for all the guides are starting to fill up already. A lot of demand, a lot of people that want to come here. If you want to make sure to get in on any of the guide schedules, check out devilslakend.com, or you can look me up at johnnycandle.com and reach out to me personally. I'd love to host you here on Devil's Lake.